No, nothing. I wasn't staring at you. What did she go to my madam's room to do? Are you sure it's not this lady that called and asked me to send our address to her? And I did. Eh? What did she actually come here to do? She lied to my madam. Yes. Okay, let's watch out.
Daniel should not dare me. He thinks I'm joking. He thinks I'm joking. He either plays his card well, else I will teach him how to do things. One more mistake from him, I will let the cat out of the bag.
I didn't know she was serious the day she called me over the phone. I can't even recall what transpired between us that night because I was drunk. Could it be she slept with me? I can't even remember anything. Now she's 3 months pregnant. What am I going to do?
Why is he not taking my calls? Eh? Is he angry with me? Is he angry with me? Okay, I'll just keep calling him. Baby, take your call now. Baby, take your call. Please.
Ella, who was that was not taking your calls?
My friend.
Your friend? Without a name?
I don't understand. Are you now EFCC? Or you are now DSS? Are you monitoring me or something? I don't get it. Cover my space in this house. What is it?
I will monitor you because you are my wife. I am your husband.
Of course you are my husband. I'm not dragging that fact with you. What is the problem? Why are your eyes on me? Can't I move around or doing things else? Why are you stalking me?
Are you shouting at me?
Yes sir. No sir, I'm not shouting. I'm making the point, sir. What is it? Excuse me.
Ella, are you seeing another man?
Mama, yes, I don't think I'll come back anytime soon. Mama Chedugodu, wait, let me explain. I got a job, so I want to go check it out. Yes. Mama, it's until I get there now, we'll know. Okay, Mama, let me call you back, oh? Come in.
What did you do to me the day I came to your house when I was in drunken state?
What do you want me to say?
Go. Did you or did you not sleep with me? Be serious. I'm talking to you.
Why are you sounding like a baby, like a child? Have you forgotten so soon? So soon? You were riding and pounding me and turning me back and forth. I mean, I told you I was ovulating and yet you still were just riding me like that.
Are you insane?
You know, you're making this matter worse. You are making it worse. Do you know what's going to happen? As soon as your wife gets back, I will tell her everything. And I mean everything.
Do you think I'll let you ruin my marriage?
What's marriage? A marriage that's already been ruined? If you know the kind of person your wife is, you will know that this is just a charade.
Oh, go. I want you to leave my house. Just go.
I am not leaving until we sort this out here and now.
You are really pushing me to the wall. I don't want to lose it.
Well, I am not leaving. I tell you.
Philo, do you know the kind of abuse I got from that man you call a husband?
I beg, no vex. I beg, I go just dey beg you. If you collect the motor for my hand, na me go suffer. Na me.
So when are you going to pay me the remaining money?
I go begin gather am now. I'll gather, I'll pay everything. I beg.
Philo, what exactly did you see in that man? I mean, why did you marry a man that has nothing to do? Not even handwork?
My sister, this world do with this, so the thing we love because last, eh? Now may God go help us. I love him. He love me. Now I see myself so.
Is that so?
Why you laugh? Why they laugh?
Philo, I've heard your play. Go to work. I want to leave.
Oh, okay. Thank you. But I say I love my husband. My husband love me well too. You begin to laugh. I don't understand why you laugh.
Philo, I'm sorry, but I have to go now. Call me when my money is ready.
Okay. As you do, I talk now. I be grateful so you don't hurt me, you don't forgive me. But it just remind me of that time where I beat you for school, it make me vex.
Do you think you can still beat me?
If I still come try now. If I finish now, you can say I must pay your money soon. I'm not going to answer the question.
Philo, you've not changed.
God bless you.
No wahala. Why do you go,
Thank you. I beg no vex.
No wahala. But pay me once you get my money. Call me.
Yes, I'll do it.
So I'm supposed to.
When did she leave?
She left this morning.
Alone?
Yes, and I've been trying to call her. It's saying switched off.
Why did you allow her to go alone? What if she gets stranded?
My mother is so stubborn. Do you know I practically begged her to allow me follow her to the city? She refused.
No, you shouldn't have allowed her. Anyway, have you called your brother?
No. I said I will not call him again.
Okay. Let me get card. I will call him myself.
Okay. Thank you. Is this saying switched off? What kind of thing is this? Why is Mama doing like this now? Why? Eh?
I am in a fix right now. I need to act fast before it's too late. That girl needs to leave this house. Even if it means paying her off, I'll make call and raise the money. My wife doesn't keep her money at home again.
Sir. Excuse me, sir. Sorry.
What do you want?
Your mother is here.
My mother?
Yes, your mother.
Did you smoke weed? Have you met my mother before?
Well, sir, she's in the living room. She told me she's your mother.
Yeah. Go. Tell her I'm coming.
Okay.
My mother. How did she even locate here? Why would she even come here by this time?
Oh, Mama, you came out of the city.
Yes.
Okay, he said he's coming.
Thank you.
Mama, he was actually surprised when I told him you were here.
Okay.
Welcome, Mama.
Thank
you. He's coming.
Mama? Mama, good afternoon.
I heard you were surprised when you were told I am here.
Mama?
Daniel.
Who told you that?
You are very, very wicked.
Mama?
Daniel, you are very wicked. So you are here enjoying with Philomena, your wife, while you left me and your sister to die of hunger at the village. Huh?
Mama, is not.
Shut up! Well, I have come to warn Philomena to leave you alone for me.
Mama. Mama, is not what you think.
See the way you are. See how fresh you are. Hey. Hey. Mama. Hey. You are here enjoying my son's wealth, driving his car. See the way you balance, Gidigba, like bag of fufu. See the way you balance driving the car. Eh?
Mama.
Shut up.
Mama.
Shut up. Shut up.
Mama.
I said shut up. And I will drop if you talk pain. Yes. I can slap you again and again whenever you misbehave. So Philomena, I have come to warn you to leave my son alone. Leave him alone for me. His responsibility is to take care of me and his sister, not you. If you ask me that rubbish again, I will slap you.
Mama, stop now. My wife has done nothing wrong. Stop. Mama, stop this.
Let me have the khaki. Let me have my son's khaki. Osibo, give it to me.
Yes, Mama.
Give it to me. We're enjoying. You're enjoying my son's car. Oh God. Then take me inside. I said you should take me inside.
Mama, this is not fair.
No, God. Come and drive again, let me see. Come and take khaki, go and drive. I drive a motor. Never on a motor, never on a motor.
So Junior. G-O, go. Say it.
G-O, go.
G-O, go. Yes, you're there. I-F, if.
I-F, if.
Okay. It's time you start writing by yourself. Alright, let's go. Write I-F, if. Write the F like this. Okay. Which other 2-letter words do you know? Which one? You don't know, don't worry. C-O-2.
C-O.
No, not C. C. Say it. C-O-2.
C-O-2.
2. Alright. No, not like this. Hold it very well. The first one is G-O, go. The second one is I-F, if. The third one is T-O-2. Which other one do you know? A-S, as. A-S, as, alright?
A-S,
as. A-S, as.
A-S, as.
Do you know 3-letter words? Do you know? You don't. But I used to teach you every day. Oh yeah? O-N-E-1.
O-N-E-1.
That is 3-letter words. O is 1, N is 2, E is 3. O-N-E-1. What is this? Daniel! Daniel!
Mama?
What's food?
Mama, your food.
My food.
Yes, Mama.
Your mother. Afomologe.
Now your food. Let me cook by myself.
Daniel.
Mama.
Did you hear your wife? This food is for me. Your mother, Afomologe.
Mama, let me prepare.
Will you shut up and allow my son to talk?
Mama, take it easy now. Take it easy.
Oh, really?
Yes, there's nothing wrong with the food.
I should take it easy. It is obvious that you've really succeeded in bewitching my son.
But no mind that.
So you have been the one preventing my son not to take care of me and my child.
Mama, beg, no verse. No mind them. No take them easy at all. No take them easy.
Daniel, I am leaving here first thing tomorrow morning.
Mama.
Please, stay away from me.
There is nothing. You know what? Just relax. I'll talk to her. Don't worry. Mama!
Look at the picture. Big meat. This one, a big one.
I overheard your mother-in-law shouting. What happened?
I don't know. I say like so shout. She just a shout for me.
Then she's a witch. Why is she here?
When they talk like that, mother-in-law no be winch.
Why was she?
Mother-in-law be like person mama.
Person mama. Then why was she shouting at you and your husband?
I don't know. But I know what I go do.
What will you do?
Now one of my secrets. No matter.
Hello. You don't tell me now. I'm your friend though.
Even then, no. No worry, I will tell you after.
Okay.
You feel like I'm a boy.
I know.
Hi. The accommodation thing.
Yes, so the agent said that I should call him in 2 days time, that he never see house. So Moku just they wait.
Oh, no.
Hope no problem.
No problem.
What's happening? What's happening?
Okay.
Don't go like that.
Yes, okay.
She acts like she cares, but her heart is full of fever. She's an unfriendly friend. Her presence brings up disaster. She's a wolf in the coat.
I saw the shock on his face. This is just the beginning. Philomena. An opportunity has called. And trust me, I am going to use it to the best of my ability. I love this movie.
What was the meaning of that act you put up out there?
What did I do?
Why did you do that?
Why did I do what? I saw the anxiety on your face. Trust me, that act was not a fake one. It was real.
I will not have you repeat it again in this house.
My love. My baby. I mean, you should be happy that you have a child growing in me that truly has your blood running on his veins.
I am not interested in your illegitimate child. God has blessed me with a son.
Is he your son?
He's my son!
He's not your son!
Baluto bianuju, baluo bianuju. Alezegi nagwanyago manobiani esikao. Abatano lanso, epele ganada, abu ganada, ishelo bilemus. Manahani neno lotuzizo, manahani neno lotuzizo, manahani neno lotuzizo, ishelo bilemus. Baluto, balutu, baluo, bianuju. Alezegi nagwanyago manobiani. Ne, Kedo?
I'm fine. I came to tell you that I've spoken with my mother.
Hope she's fine.
Yes, she's fine. And I also came to collect the address from you.
Which address are you talking about?
Daniel's address. I want to go there since my mother does not want to come back.
No need for that, okay? She will soon be back.
My mother told me how Daniel's wife has been maltreating her. And Daniel is not doing anything about it.
Wait. You mean Daniel's wife is maltreating your mother?
Yes. And that's why I want to go there and warn her.
No, please. No need for that, okay? Very soon Mama will come back. As for Daniel's wife, she will be treated properly. Okay?
Okay. Let me start going.
Alright. I'm going to go.
Thank you.
Bye.
Alright.
Oh, Baluto bianuju, baluo bianuju. But wait. Why will Daniel's wife be maltreating his own mother and he couldn't do anything? Nobody can try that with my mother. It's not possible. Not possible. Daniel is fucking up. Daniel, you're not fucking up. That music, your song. Baluto bianuju, baluo bianuju.
Get ready. I'll see you soon. Good.
Daniel, listen. I will not allow Philo to useless your life. Never. Now I have seen why since both of you got married, you never come home. You never come home. But I'm going to teach her the lesson of her life. It's a promise I am giving both of you. I will teach Philomena that I am Teresa. I will teach her the lesson of her life. Now listen, I will be going back to the village tomorrow. Tomorrow you are taking me back to the village. I am no longer staying here. I can't stay with her. She is a wicked daughter-in-law. I have told you, if you like, go to work. If you like, don't go. Tomorrow you are taking me back. And that is it.
Mama, I hope all is well.
All is not well. It is not well at all. All is not well. Should I pretend and say it is well? Mba.
And I don't want you to pretend. It's okay. I'm coming. Let me just get you something. Oh, I'll be right back. Oh.
Daniel and Philomena, they are trying me. And I try Teresa. Nga bakwa ha. Nga ba macha ha bacha ba ha ka ate.
What is happening to me? Me Chekube, falling in love with my best friend's sister. I can't believe this. How do I explain this to Daniel? That I'm in love with his kid sister. Anyway, I've not told her anything and she has not accepted me. But even if I have feelings for her, it's not a crime. Yes, I'm a human being. Yes, I think I will talk to her first. Yes, I will talk to her. I will talk to her, yes.
Your food is ready.
Bring it in.
I should bring it here. Okay.
The enemy is not far away. It might be someone that is close to you. They may smile in your presence.
Thank you.
Yes, I said, okay, let me prepare this for you.
How did you know I was feeling hungry?
I saw the small food they served you now. I sensed that you'll be very hungry, so...
I didn't know you saw it.
Mama, I see everything in this house. Yes.
If I may ask you, what are you doing here? Why are you here?
Mama, I'm having an accommodation problem. I've actually been looking for accommodation. So, since I've not seen, I said, let me just put up here for a while. Then immediately I see, I will leave.
Okay. Mana, when you're not in are you are you married?
You know I'm not married now. And I'm not in a relationship. Mama, please eat your food. Oh? Eat your food.
Yeah, but when you're nobody, why not in
Mama, eat your food. My mother taught me that when you eat, you don't talk. So when you, as soon as you are done, we'll talk. Oh?
No.
Stay here while I eat.
Yeah, Mama, don't worry. I want you to enjoy your food. I made this food specially for you because you know I love it.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Mwanka. Hi. Very delicious. So, Daniel and Philomena have bottled water in this house. And they have been giving me something else to drink. Chai! Daniel and Philomena. Unu na-aṅụ bottled water na na-agbanyere mmiri na cup. Say mụnwa. Onye makwana ihe m na Philomena na-agbanyere m. Who knows what she has been giving me to drink? Chai!
The enemy is not far away. It might be someone that is close to you. They may smile in your presence. I'm planning full at the back.
She actually prepared food for my Oga's mother. Wait, I believe she's on a mission. Seriously.
What are you mumbling to yourself? Eh? You are just here, mumbling to yourself. This is how you go mad, oh. This is how a possessed person acts. To be honest with you, what is your problem?
Please, I'm not possessed. Neither do I have a problem. I don't have any problem.
Look at your mouth. You don't have problem. Go to the fridge and go and get me malt. So I put some soft drinks in there.
I want to take something cool. Eh? My madam instructed me not to open the fridge in her absence.
Am I the one you're talking to? I said, get into that house. Get me a drink. Did you hear what I said?
Please, call my madam on phone. If she permits me to open the fridge for you, then I will. But if she did not, I won't.
Oh, I can see you. You think I'm joking, right? Now look at me. Look at my face. Get into the house and go bring me a drink.
Please. I cannot go against my madam's instruction. It is not possible. I will not disobey her. Yes.
Okay. Take, go and buy me the malt from the store outside. Take it now. Run along. Behave like a pregnant woman.
She acts like she cares. But her heart is full of fever.
Your madam said you should not get me anything, Abi? Okwaya?
Friend, her presence brings.
See, Chekube. Omo, you are my friend. Okay? I have been observing you for some days now, and this is not my guy. Omo, what did they happen to you now? What did they work you? What did they solve?
I have not been myself for some days now.
Why?
Something is eating me up. I am deeply in love with EJ.
Wait, EJ?
Yes.
EJ. Wait, you mean EJ, Daniel's younger sister?
Yes. And the problem is, I don't even know how to confront her. I don't even know how to tell her how much I love her. I've been dying in silence for long now. I wonder how Daniel will feel if he finds out that I'm going out with the sister.
Well, that's true. You have a point there. But you see, with me, I understand that a journey of 1,000 steps starts with the first step. See, the truth is that you don't want to disrespect Daniel. But in the same way, this relationship can seal your relationship with Daniel. I'm being very frank here. See, Daniel would understand. Walk up to Daniel. Explain yourself to Daniel. He will understand that you love his sister. You're not there to just maybe do with her with like every other village girl. This is our tout. You're there, you have a reasonable reason to be there with his sister. Why don't you just explain these things to Daniel? He will understand with you. Mama, you don't go kill you. You dare to worry yourself for it, you not get it. Come on.
Yes, that's why I always trust you.
Waiting again.
That's why I always believe in you. I think I will take a bold step.
You have to. Glory to God.
Blood. My man.
But they love you, this guy. So, 2 days now, you don't even think.
Mama. Mama. Mama.
This one you're smiling like this.
Mama. I met a man in this village who promised to give me his keke to be riding for him.
Hey.
What is the problem, Mama?
Peter.
Mama.
Do you want to be a keke rider?
Mama. Those who ride keke in this village, they are making it. Mama, they are making a huge amount of money out of the business. So, there's nothing wrong with riding keke.
No problem, if you say so.
Thank you. Mama, but there is a problem. One small problem. Mama, the man said I will be remitting 20,000 naira to him every week.
Hey! Is that not too much?
Mama, it's not too much, but I have no option. I just have to start something. I need to start doing something in this village.
If you say so, I would like you to accompany me to the city. I want to see your sister.
Ha! To do what exactly?
I want to visit her. The kind of dream I had last night. I'm afraid. You know how my dream works.
Mama, women and dreams are like 5 and 6. Mama, let it not be that I'm disobeying you, but me, Peter, have vowed that nothing will make me to go to Sister Philomena's house again. Yes, Mama, I am not going there again. You can go alone if you want to.
Hey, don't talk like that. Please. She's the only sister you have. No any other one.
Mama, I know that she's the only sister I have. The only person I have in this life. But Mama, I am not going there with you. I've already vowed that nothing in this life will make it. Mama, Sister Philomena thinks that she's my God.
No. Please. I know you will make it without them.
Mama,
no matter what happened between two of you, forgive her. She is your sister.
Mama, I'm not God. You can go alone, but for me, Peter, I'm not going there. I'll make it in this village. With riding keke, I'll make it. Mama, you can go alone. I'm not going with you.
Forgive her. She's the only sister you have.
Mama, I have forgiven her, but I'm not going again. I'm not going there. Mama, go alone.
Forgive her.
I'm not God, but I've forgiven her. You can go alone.
How? Mama, you have done well for me this afternoon.
Mama, it's okay.
God bless you.
God bless you too. Mama, I don't know why I love you. I see you as my own mother. No, Mama. If you see the way I treat my own mother, like egg, enjoy yourself.
Do you know that since I came here, Daniel and his so-called wife, Philo, have not bought a bottle of mineral for me?
Mama, it's not like I want to say bad things about my friend, though. But I will not see white and call it black. Okwe Fufulo, you see Philo? She's a very bad person. And she's the one confusing your son.
I am happy you are the one saying it. I am happy.
Mama, this world is somehow... If you see the huge amount of money Philo gave to her brother to start a business. Hey! Mama, this money... Philo is a bad person. She's a very bad person.
Are you telling me the truth?
Mama, why will I lie? If I tell you, if I lie now, will you flog me? No, now. Mama, I am telling you the truth. But please, Biko, don't tell anybody I told you. I'm just telling you because I see you as my own mother.
So this is what Philo has been doing with my son's money.
Mama, do you know that Philo does not love your son? She married your son for one reason. And I am the only one that knows that reason.
And what is the reason?
Mama Zukwanike, it's a secret that I cannot tell you. But one thing for sure is that you need to advise your son to be smart while I go and talk to her to take her marriage really serious. I don't know what is wrong with her. I don't know what she's thinking about. Eh? I need to talk to her. Very, very well.
So, Daniel gave Philo's brother a huge amount of money to start a business. While myself and my daughter, his younger sister, die of hunger. He cannot send us ordinary feeding money. Eh?
Mama.
Philomena.
Mama, it's okay. Don't worry. I am here for you. By the time I talk to her and put some things into her brain, everything will be settled. Oh?
Philomena. If not that Philomena has a child for my son, I would have advised my son to quit the marriage.
But Mama,
I would have asked Daniel to divorce her.
Mama, it has not gotten to divorce case now. It can be sorted out. I will talk to her. Oh? Daniel's mother is an instrument, and I'm going to use her very well. Daniel is in my palm, and I know very soon he is going to make me his wife, because my child is truly his. Come in. Ah, Mama. So good. Mama, welcome. This one that you're in my room. Mama, you can sit down, sit down, sit down. Hey, Mama, I'm fine. Mama,
I want you to do something for me.
Mama, anything. I'm here for you.
Just find out from Philo how much they gave her brother when he came here.
Mama, I thought I told you.
No, you did not.
Ah, it must have escaped my mind. Mama, it's even good I did not tell you. If you see the gardener must go, they packed money to give to him. Eh? Mama, you will cease not to talk to Philo for the rest of your life. Thank God you do not know. Ghana must go. Hey! It was very, very big. That big Ghana must go, Mama. That's what they give to him.
Jello, wait. You mean Daniel, my son, gave Philo's brother Ghana must go,
Mama, I am telling you the truth. If this Ghana must go, very big. I'm telling you the truth. You see, Philo is the cause of everything. She has deceived your son to just taking care of her own family and abandon you people. But the devil is a liar. Mama, talk to your son. Talk to your son. Doya Kananti. Talk to him.
Okay. I have heard you.
Yes, Mama. He don't end that. He end that.
The enemy is not far away. It might be someone that is close to you. They may smile in your presence. I'm planning full at the back.
Who kept this envelope here? This looks like something from the hospital.
Mele mele ni look what pitina so. Yeah. Selanda joy. Yeah. Obi facholonjo.
Welcome, sir.
What was that?
Nothing, no. Nothing. What?
You mean nothing?
Nothing, sir. Nothing.
Get up.
Sir, like...
I said get up!
You mean I should stand up?
Are you mad?
No, no mad.
Step aside. You said nothing. Did you open it?
No, I did not open it. I did not open it, sir.
Where is my mother?
She's in the room.
And my wife's visitor, where is she?
I don't know where she is.
What was this thing doing in the parlor?
Oh, my love, you're welcome. Ouch! Oh, come on. I totally forgot. Is that why you're angry?
I can see you are insane. Now let's see how you flaunted it around.
Well, you think you can destroy the evidence? Well, guess what? The real evidence is right here. And I'm going to push the baby out. Okay? So you cannot destroy it.
I've had enough of you. But it seems you don't want to respect yourself in my house.
You are talking about respect. What do you know about respect? Respect, they say, is reciprocal. You denied this pregnancy and you expect me to respect you?
Watch your tongue go. You're in my house. Okay?
Well, it's no longer secret that I am pregnant for you. So you have to deal with that. And that's on period. I'm going to have your baby. I'm going to have your baby. I'm going to have your baby. Is it going to be a bouncing baby boy or a beautiful girl? Whichever one, children are blessings from God.
I thought he is back. Where is he?
Mama?
Now I have seen how foolish you are.
Mama, it's your son Daniel you're talking to.
Oh, my son Daniel I'm talking to. My son who allowed himself to be under the control of a woman whom he calls his wife.
Mama, what are you trying to say again?
Now listen, shut up. I've heard how you settled Philo's brother with huge amounts of money at the business. I've heard all. You think I will not know? Now listen, I am going back tomorrow. I'm sure you have fully prepared for my going back. Tomorrow morning, I'm leaving this house. Thank you. You think I will not know? All you do is to give in Philo's people's money. Giving them a burger. You think I will not hear? Daniel!
How did she get this information? Because I'm very sure my wife didn't give her brother any money. Wait, did Philo lie to me? I know what to do. Philo, you are yet to give me a reply concerning the last discussion we had.
Which discussion?
Don't forget, And I told you to raise some money for me now from the taxi business so I can set up my own business as a man.
Damn. This taxi business, now be say we dey chop for this house. This taxi business, now be say we fit repair our house for village.
But I'm no longer interested in the taxi business. I mean, I want to ask you, is it a crime for me to start my own business? Can't the taxi business raise money for me to start up my own business as a man of the house? Currently, I notice you now deposited all your money in the bank, so I don't have access to it, Akwa.
Be offense. How that one can't take the offense?
It's a very big offense, so very big offense. I am your husband.